Additional, one more question po.
Oo.
BB, kasi di ba since March po, nung dinala po dito si former president, and then until now, meron pong relatives from the Duterte family. Meron na po ba kayong estimate na kung magkano na po yung nagastos ng yung family dun sa pagbisita niyo po dito for the past 3 months po?
Naku, hindi. Hindi kami nagkakwenta ng gastos namin sa pagbigay ng suporta kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. As I'm sure hindi nagkakwenta itong mga pabalik-balik.
Exactly.
Hindi nga kami nagkwenta, 2 beses kami mag-drink. That is personal question.
Okay. Okay na.
Okay na.
How is it that, of course, as the proceedings drag, may legal funds na na-incur with paying the defense team. So, you mentioned before na hati-hati din among the family members. Is the accessing the legal defense fund at the ICC is on the table or still not
No,
considering it?
wala ako. I don't remember anything. I don't remember saying noon na hati-hati kami sa legal funds. Ang legal funds po ay pinag-uusapan ng client at ng lawyer. So, medyo confidential po yun. Hindi po sinasabi ng lawyer kung ano yung napag-usapan nila ng kliyente niya, no? So, sa kanila yon. But sa travel namin, kanya-kanya po yung gastos. Hindi po kami kumukuha sa isang common fund or ano. Kanya-kanya pong hanap ng resources para makabisita kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Thank you,
Okay.
VP.
Thank you.